I'm going to show you how to do the Flatlock stitch, and to achieve this, all your tensions on your serger has to be very loose. You can see. Okay, so let's start. Okay, and we're going to just pull it like so. I'm going to pull the seams. Gently but sturdily pull it, you know. And for this, to achieve this, all the thread gotta be loose. The tension has to be loose to achieve the flat lock. I don't want it to look uneven. Okay. If you want, you could click on the link for the you can watch the video to the end to see the settings. Try not to pull too hard, because then you're going to loose it out. Okay. I have also want to know, I used the second needle with this. See? And I also did some over here. This was the number 4 stitch. If you want it wider, this is for number 4. And for it to be a little narrow, like you see right here, I had it on number 3 like this. But the more loose it is, the better. This is also number 3. And this is number 4. So with stitch number 4, you get a wider stitch. Let's see. We'll make it a little bit wider. And you take your time and do this. But I'm rushing a little bit because I'm also filming. And try not to pull too much, because then you're going to open the seam. So you want to pull it a certain amount. I'll pull a little bit too much there. Okay. Okay. Try to get it a little more even. So you don't pull it too much. That's what happens if you pull it too much. So I hope that would help.